When words start with the letter B. As P and B are twin sounds, to produce the letter B, place your lips firmly together, stop the air, and pop your lips open. Ba, ba, ba. Check it with your hands or a piece of paper. However, the puff is not as strong. To check, you can use your hands, ba, 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 or a piece of paper, ba, ba, ba. B is voiced, so activate your vocal cords. Some examples: best, back. To activate your vocal cords, begin to hum. Hum. Best, back. Similar to P, the letter B is guided by vowels. Ba, ba, ba. Be, be, be. Bo, bo, bo. Also, we don't create a puff when B is located in the middle of a word. Example, maybe. With words like maybe, we don't have a puff. So we just say maybe, maybe. We don't say maybe, maybe. Be careful. What if the letter B is at the end of the word? Only mark the letter B by sealing your lips, but don't press or puff. Example, lamb. With words like lamb, we mark the B, but we don't puff it or finish the sound. Example, lamb. We don't say lamb or lamb. We just mark it. Lamb, lamb. Some words just ignore the letter B. Mark your notes when the B is silent. Debt. A sentence with the letter B. Remember, pause for sentence intonation. The black lamb in the garden. This is a fun sound. Enjoy extending it. Ba, ba, ba. Be, be, be. Bo, bo, bo. Whoopsie! Don't overseal your lips. Be careful not to overseal your lips. You don't want to do this. Bob. You just want to lightly close your lips. Bob. Bob. If you have any questions, make sure to use your cell phone to check that you are doing it correctly. Warning! The letter V and the letter B are often the same sound in many languages. In English, you should separate them. The letter V is F's twin, and B is the twin of the letter P. Va, 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 fa, 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 ba, 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 pa, pa, pa. Voiced, voiceless. Va, 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 fa, 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 ba, 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 pa, pa, pa. Va, 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 fa, 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 ba, 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 pa, pa, pa. Letter V. Place your top teeth on the back of your lower lip. Letter B. Seal both lips and pop. Va, va, va. Ba, ba, ba. If you need more help, go to our interactive index and check out V's explanation. Come back here afterwards. Recommendation: use the minimal pairs to help you identify the sound. Feel it. Don't overthink it.